I understand it's November, but I literally just got my October Slay Glam box in the mail, so I figured maybe it's still worthwhile doing a video. Hey, it's Amanda. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day hanging out with me. And I realize my overhead is not on. Much better. I almost forgot doing my Slay Glam box unboxing for October. I was gonna do a live, but my settings were giving me issues, which is awesome. Working on getting that fixed because you guys have asked for lives and I'm trying to figure out when I could do a live. Midnight seems to be like the best ideal time for my schedule, so stay tuned for some lives. But you know, I figured it was still worthwhile doing this unboxing. I know there are a lot of people that are wondering about this, and this is the first time it's featured on my channel, so let's welcome Slay Glam box. My guess is that they function very similarly to the box by Fashion Stuff. Signed up in September. That was my first one. It arrived like a week and a half of October. People are already starting to talk about October, so maybe I'll be able to have it in time for October, and I don't, but it's still early enough to still kind of do it. We're still thinking about October, kind of. I do miss Halloween, but Thanksgiving, oh, it is almost here. I do have my makeup already done. Figured I'll just do an unboxing, maybe do some swatches, not do a full try on like I normally do for my subscription unboxing videos, but a video of this look will be live on Wednesday. I'm really excited about it. So if you're interested in seeing what I received in the Slay Glam box for the month of October, definitely keep on watching. Before we jump in, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel before clicking off this video. I post new videos Monday through Friday of subscription unboxings, beauty hauls, first impressions, eyeshadow palette reviews, and more. Hopefully you are watching in the month of November. I currently have my Thanksgiving giveaway going on right now. All you have to do is click the link in the description below. There will also be a link in the cards. You must be subscribed and leave me a comment of what your favorite Thanksgiving dish is. That's all you have to do. So you're missing out if you don't subscribe and enter, just saying. I was about to say my look is blah 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 blah, but there is gonna be a video on Wednesday on this look. So the packaging, it's cute, kind of childish but cute, and it's always smushed. September's was smushed. It came in like one of those bags that you buy clothes in. I do a lot of online shopping on Victoria's Secret, Torrid, American Eagle. They all have like plastic shipping bag that they use. That's what this came in. There weren't any loose products in it, so a little confused. I wasn't cool enough to get their first set of lashes because they're doing a lash subscription. It's okay, but we're gonna unbox this together. And this is what the inside looks like. Oh, they do have a card and it tells you all the products, the prices, and then it also says try our new lash box. Get 5 pairs of luxury lashes for $15 a month plus free shipping. Use code ISLAY for 10% off. I mean, I am getting more into lashes, but I don't think I would want to pay $15 a month to get 5 pairs of lashes every single month because that can accumulate really fast. Maybe a one-time purchase just to try the lashes, sure, but otherwise that's like lash overload. And I also get Glitz Glam box, which they always include a pair of lashes, so in case if other subscription boxes don't have lashes that month, at least I know I am getting a pair in Glitz Glam. For the month of October, we have 5 different products. And let's start with this. The first product are the Crown Brush 7-piece HD brush set / tweezer and mirror. And this retails for $19.99. I love this purple case. Let's go on ahead and, ooh, those are pretty. Okay, I don't really use tweezers. I get my eyebrows done every 2 weeks, so I'm not tempted into over plucking like I have before in the past. These are super soft. They're almost too soft for my liking, meaning they're not as dense. I usually like a little bit more density to my brushes, but these are like in between, super soft but not like too dense. I haven't used Crown brushes in the longest time. I actually have some brushes that look very similar to these. I'll replace purple with pink. This looks like a good all over powder brush. Oh, it says Pro Powder. Ah, tapered blush. Okay, so they do have names on what each one does. I like that. Deluxe contour, maybe concealer. I get creative with brushes sometimes because every time I get a contour brush, I'm like, I don't contour. Chisel shadow. Chisel. All right. Ooh, we got a crease. Oh, I love a good crease brush. Yes. a detailed liner. Probably won't get much use out of it. That one will go with the brushes that I have but don't really use, slash they might get decluttered one day. The case is cute. I don't know if I will get much use out of the case because I just put the brushes to their respective homes. I'll still store it just in case. Why not have extra clutter in my life? Also, if there are any products in here that you would like to know a follow-up on, definitely let me know. I would be more than happy to try some of these brushes in an upcoming video just to give you guys a first impression on how they do apply makeup, and if I continue to use them, they must be good. Next, we have the Jonathan Gray Beauty eyeshadow palette. I received the Trick or Treat eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $31.50. Oh, I guess I forgot to talk about Slay Glam in the details. Better late than never. Slay Glam, you pay $24.99 a month and you receive 5 to 7 full-size items, and each box retails for over $100. That has been another great competitor for IPSY, BOXYCHARM, and the upcoming Rise subscription boxes as well, like BIJOU, Tribe, and the Box by Fashionista. So there's so many other great options. I'm a little sad I did not get this in time for Halloween, but these colors are absolutely gorgeous. I don't think I would pay $31.50 for this, so it's great to receive it in a subscription. I don't even know if I will get much use out of this or if I'm just gonna set it aside for a giveaway. It did have a plastic thing. It fell when I did open it, so I'm just gonna place it back and save it for you guys because I was gonna swatch it and I'm not going to do that. And it came with this duo brush as well. I definitely think the colors are pretty. I have so many similar shades to it, especially in my Violet Voss Essentials palette. I do have like an orange, a yellow, and a black shade in there. I'd probably just refer to that. I probably could dupe that palette easily in my Morphe 35M palette as well. So I am excited to be able to share part of my box back with you guys. The next product we received is the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow. I received the shade Monkey Business, and this retails for $6. And this is what it looks like. It looks like it's starting to come up a little bit, so I'm going to be very, very careful and tie this back because I do have so many ColourPop Super Shock shadows. I don't need more, so I'm going to set this aside as well for you guys. I do love the formula. It's hard for me to reach for single shadows. I've thought about just pulling a lot of them out and doing a whole look using single shadows. Let me know if that's something you would like to see because sometimes mine don't get loved enough unless if I do my makeup for work or just going out. I pretty much do the bare minimum. It's very rare when I do a full glam like this out in public. Next we have the MANNAKADAR Lip Exfoliator Scrub, and this retails for $24. Okay, I'm starting to feel attacked by subscription boxes because I do mention I have really dry, chapped lips, and BIJOU, I received a lip exfoliator, and then the Box by Fashionista received the balm, which I've been loving that combination, and now I got another lip exfoliating product. Clearly, they're trying to tell me something. Ooh, okay. Ooh, that feels super soft. I know it's gonna feel different. I just swatched a lip exfoliator. I know that's probably super weird. I'm excited for that. I'm putting it with my Buddy Scrub over here, but I hope it works out well. My lips are starting to cooperate slightly, so clearly the products that I have right now are helping. And then the last product, we received the CAILYN Cosmetics Pure Lust Extreme Matte Tint Mousse, and this retails for $19. Definitely a fun shade. I can definitely see some Halloween theming in this month's box between the eyeshadow palette, this bright Super Shock shadow, and now this lip color. Oh wow. Oh yeah. I absolutely love that. I know it's probably not for the faint of heart, but this color is right up my alley. I am so bummed I did not get this in time for Halloween, even though it wouldn't have gone with my costume. Griffin and I were Cosmo and Wanda, and none of our trick-or-treaters recognized who we were. I am slightly offended, as well as feeling old, and the kids guessed Griffin as either Joker or Beetlejuice. So they know Joker, they know Beetlejuice, but you don't know the Fairly Odd Parents. They are uncultured swines. This is very beautiful. It didn't have pigment throughout the entire swatch. I hope it's not a patchy lipstick, otherwise it ain't gonna look cute. But it was just with one swipe. But it feels really comfortable. It doesn't feel like a drying liquid lipstick. It did say extreme matte, so I'm very concerned about being extremely matte because I just went on the tangent of dry lips. But I want it to be super pigmented, but it says mousse, And mousse formulas are very thicker and they're comfortable. I just feel like what this product is called is contradicting itself. I guess we'll see how this shows up on the lips. Overall, as much as I appreciate this box, theming it to Halloween, it's not my favorite. I think the brushes in this lip exfoliator are going to be my favorite product, just based off of my reaction as well as being intrigued by using them, because I can always use more brushes. I am not one to be upset to get so many brushes in a subscription box because it cuts down on cost of buying brushes, as well as when you create so many looks and you wear makeup for filming, work, and then date night. Okay, work and date night are debatable, but filming especially, I try to clean my brushes once a week, especially my face brushes, just because I tend to use the same face brushes over and over and over again. I probably need a backup Sigma 3D HD Max Kabuki. Like, it is beat to shit right now, just from all of the foundation application, as well as the Morphe G36. I don't even know if they still make this brush. It was part of their gunmetal collection, and I absolutely love it. Whereas I kind of jump around between my Farrah and Luxie blush brushes, and then my Morphe and BH Cosmetics bronzers, and then I have multiple highlighting brushes now, like my new beloved Farrah brush and my Morphe ones. I have 3 other cases very similar to this, filled with eye brushes. That's just how quick I go through them, creating so many different looks, especially if they're colorful looks and the colors aren't the same. I do have this shader cleaner. It does an okay job, but still the fact that there's bacteria on your brushes, so that's why I need to always do like a deep clean. I try to do face once a week and eye brushes every other week. Even then, I feel like I still need to do my eye brushes once a week. In conclusion of my TED Talk, I love receiving brushes. I haven't heard of MANNAKADAR, so I'm excited to see how this works out. I do have high hopes for it. As I mentioned, I have dry, chapped lips pretty much year round. They could always use a little TLC. I really liked how this CAILYN lip felt swatched. The shade is just not practical. It goes back to where I appreciate the Halloween theme. Halloween is already gone. I mean, I could wear this. It's just probably frowned upon at work, and if we are doing date night in public, I'm gonna get some weird looks, which I could care less about, but I know work wouldn't approve of it. Does it say anything in the employee handbook? Probably not, but I mean, that's cool if they have to make an amendment because of you, right? I love ColourPop Super Shock Shadows. This shade would be fun to create a lot of more bolder, brighter neon looks, which I have a bunch of colorful palettes. I have a bunch of Super Shock Shadows, so I want to be able to give one back to you guys, as well as the Trick or Treat palette. It was so adorable. It's just I have so many shades like that as well. I don't really need one at the moment, so these 2 items will be set aside for you guys. I have so many items already growing for my December and 1K giveaway, and spoiler alert, the 1K giveaway will be my first international giveaway, which I'm super excited for. If you got Slay Glam box, let me know what you guys got. Let me know if there were other variations. I think you were able to choose maybe your lip, Super Shock Shadow, and the palette. Honestly, I didn't know. The products chose me. September's box was okay. October's box is okay. I don't hate the subscription, but I'm not completely in love with it yet. I kind of wanted to get here a little bit sooner. That way I can do a showdown with it. I really wanted to compare it to the Fashionista box, but based off of this, I know Fashionista would have won. It's still a great option in case if you are over BOXYCHARM IPSY, or if BIJOU and Tribe are out of your price range. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, thank you for the view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to enter the giveaway!